Good morning, children. Today I will discuss the exercises of Chapter 2 Civics, the Union Executive, the President and the Vice President. Children, before I could start, I want you all to copy all these question answers in your fair notebook and try to learn it as soon as possible. Question 1. Who is the Chief Executive Head of State in India? The answer is President. Question 2. Mention the qualification which a person eligible for election as President must possess. Answer. Must be a citizen of India, must have completed the age of 35 years. Third point, must be qualified to become a member of the Lok Sabha. Question 3. On what grounds may the President of India be removed from office? The President can be removed from the office for violation of the Constitution by impeachment. Question 4. Who administers the oath of office to the President? Answer is the Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Next question, question number 5. What is meant by the term ordinance? An ordinance is a direction or command of an authoritative nature. It has the same force and effect as an act of parliament. Question 6. Mention any two financial powers of the President. Answer. A money bill cannot be introduced except on the recommendation of the President. Next point. The President shall cause to be laid before both the Houses of Parliament the annual budget. Question number 7. Mention any two judicial powers of the President. Answer. First point. President has the power to grant, pardon or reduce the punishment that a person receives. Second point. The President is not answerable to any court for the exercise of the powers and duties of his office. Question 8. Mention any two important functions of the Vice President. Answer. Ex officio Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, discharge of President's function. Question number 9. The three types of emergencies which the Constitution makes provision for. For this, you have to refer page number 49 under the three kinds of emergencies. First emergency, emergency due to war or external aggression or armed rebellion. Second point, emergency due to failure of constitutional machinery in a state. Third point, the financial emergency. Now children, from this chapter only short questions I have given. You have to learn, you be thorough with the full chapter. Only for revision work just I gave few short answers. I hope you all will copy down all these question answers in your fair copy, following all the copy rules and learn it. Thank you.